Hey, hi Adil. Hi Apu. Hi, hi. How's your Sunday going on? Hey guys, let me post this on my. Good evening, bro. Hi, good evening. Sunday is pretty boring without chats. Have some good time, man. Let me just post it in Insta. Next mentorship program and will start. So currently, one-on-one mentorship is full. Probably, like I would like at least 60-70% reaching payouts. Only 2% have reached payout on this current batch. So another 8 people, like they're coming probably next month. We can see. Let me just post once. Okay, almost done. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry, I was just posting on Insta. I think I need to get a haircut. Like, if I applied cream, my hair looks very good, but since I didn't apply cream, it looks very, very bad. Oh, yeah, 8 people already. That's nice. So, my Harish from Tamil Nadu and currently in Kuwait. I wish to come to Bangalore for offline mentorship. I passed 20 groups and received. Oh, that's nice, Harish. You are already like in the top 1%. And yeah, we can meet, but why do you want mentorship when you're doing good, man? Like, Harish, you have done something good and you have already taken a payout. Just look at that, why that happened. It didn't happen by mistake, right? You went through 8% and 5%, then live also. Something you have done something good. So just see. Fear is fine, Harish. That's just, I think if you practice, it will be fine. Like, see, already if you are able to pass and take a payout, you are already doing good. Like, I don't think there is a need for you to for mentorship unless or until you are having issues later on. Like, I mean, strategy wise, something is working then. Where are you now? I'm currently based out of Bangalore, Apu. So fear, then probably we have to identify why you fear. Like fear of losing account, fear of not making money, fear of like that you don't have money to purchase another account, or fear of getting attached to an account. It's totally up to you. So, for an example, let's take my batch. Okay, so I take in 10 people for personal mentorship, one-on-one. Okay, it's not group classes or anything. So everyone I choose at a different trading lifestyle. Like someone will be like having a good bank balance, someone will have a decent bank balance, and everyone has a different strategy and different way of approaching and different risk management. So So you have to devise your own. That's what like I'm trying to say. So ultimately, it'll feel difficult to hold the rates. That's because you are buying in bigger accounts. I feel buy in a lower accounts which you can afford. Also, try to do something. This is something which I started doing after following Alex G. I'm like it's a controversial thing. A lot of people think he's a great trader. A lot of people think he's scamming people, putting a lot of wrong things. But end of the day, it doesn't matter. Like whatever you learn from him stays with you. So I follow this called set and forget. So where you place a trade and you don't look at it, even if it's going in loss, let it go. There were times where I set stop losses and market literally has gone till stop loss. Like it didn't take the stop loss and it will reverse. So this I started following on challenge phases, and live I have a different strategy basically. So that has helped me in some way. So start doing that. Like try doing that. See if it helps or not. Okay, our chats are frozen or what? Hello. Okay, chats are working. Okay, scroll. Okay, we don't have enough chat so that I can scroll. Sorry. What was the first pass account size? How much time you required to pass your focus? My first pass account size was $5,000, I think. Mm, like, see, I am a very aggressive trader. I was a very aggressive trader. So probably initially, I think probably 3 days I would have passed my first phase. So my opinion is I'm completely against taking trades on news time, like because your accounts is gonna get busted even when the profits hit. Sometimes the lot of firms won't pay you, like this what do you say, the payouts. But live is a different scenario altogether. If you're very sure about how the market is gonna move, and if you have enough capital, like there are traders who trade news also. So it's totally up to you. I would say no to Propfirm, but okay for live if you have a good strategy in place and a good capital also and good psychology. Sir, how you manage trades in jobs? It's pretty simple, Zaid. Like as I told, I take trade one trade a day, and if I take a trade, I just forget and don't look at it like every now and then. So keeping on looking at it messes up your time and psychology. So when some 20, 30 people are there, we'll just analyze charts for next week, just like gold charts. I usually Sunday I don't predict market, but I will mark my key level areas where the market could potentially come, and like basically POA, like point of interest, I call it. Uh, like I just mark and keep. So if market comes there, I'll be ready looking for entries or do something like that. So let our chat reach some 20 people, so some like everyone will be benefited from that. Before that, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Is there a delay in questions or I'm seeing questions slow? Do you think gold will go up to 4,500? Gold is a very moving asset. Bitcoin has touched 120K. Why not gold will reach 5,000? It's possible. For a 10K account, what percentage of SL and TP? See, Apu, this is again this is totally up to you, Apu. So as I told, so my trading style and your trading style will be different. Okay, my bankroll and your bank will be completely different. Am I correct? So like depending on, for an example, I can purchase 10K. I can purchase like close to 10K minimum accounts in a month. The same does it go for you? If that's the case, I would probably risk full like 2.2%, 2.5%, or 3% on a single trade on challenge phases. Yes, I would do that. But again, when it comes to your psychology, will you be able to handle that much risk per trade? It completely depends on you, your current balance, your current trading psychology. So I can't really recommend unless I get to know all these. Correct? I can say randomly, I can say this is what I do, but that will not be helpful for you because what I do will make your trading psychology even worse. I was a great loser in trading. My strategy was good, but my emotions were down bad. It maybe because of my age. For 6 months, I was consistent. My trades, etc., and I made it. That's very nice to hear. Good. Oh, funny. QT. How was your experience with QT, Mr. Good? I've used QT like twice, but that was like 1 year, 1.5 year back. But right now, they are also as a firm, they have evolved a lot. I've seen a lot of people taking payouts. So I don't know. I might give it a try if I'm max allocated in other the firms I trust. What man? I think we don't reach 20 people today. Today, I think. Or else let's wait for another like 6:20. No, this is what we have. This is good. We'll get started with chart analyzing. Currently, I have live very less. Like to be honest, last week I busted 400. I had 5.5 million in funding. Right now, I just have a 100K in funding, but I'm doing challenge like 300K challenges. I'm doing currently 300K from different firms. Copy trading in funding pips it's allowed. So other firms copy trading is not allowed within same like company, but you can trade on a different prof firm. For example, I can take trade on funding pips and pro. That won't be an issue. So my pass account ratio is different from different firms. Funding pips probably every 5 accounts I purchase, I go one live. Like I go to phase two or three phase two, and I go one live or two live. So basically, that's the ratio. 5:1, 1:5, you can say. I mean, like before. Right now, I might have 100% success rate also. But last week was very bad for me. I lost around 6, 7 accounts on phase two, where it reached TP and didn't close. Two trades didn't close. Then it moved to SL, and like, it was terrible. So yeah, that's really true. Sometimes I miss trade to fear. Yeah, you will fear that you're not taking the trade. Okay. Then what happens? You will enter the trade in the same trade in FOMO after the market moving. When the market just go to retest your entry, your account is like your SL will be taken out. So that's very common. So that's because like whatever the decision like see market will play, okay, but your entry, if you have decided, go for it. Keep your SL and TP and just wait for it. Okay. I had suggestions next time. Please make a countdown for live so everyone will be set for it. Thank you, Adil. Like I really don't know how live works, to be honest. I'm still getting used to it. I randomly come live, but yeah, I get your point. I'll make sure we are having a good like morning only. I'll announce that I'll be in live, and also evening I'll probably have a countdown timer. So thank you for that input. Sorry, input or feedback. Yeah, thank you for the feedback. I had no problem with QT, but my friend had 25 on. Second phase, they reset his account phase one. The reason they had the counter trend and he breached it after. Okay. Yeah, he breached it after this very because he got pissed off with the counter trend trade decision. Like basically, like that's what tilts. Yesterday requested my life's first payout and it's 560. Oh, that congrats, Abhishek. Which firm did you do like request a payout? 560 is good, very good. I mean, like this is after the split or before the split? So how right now I think I'm fine. Like even if I lost $1 million account, I'll be like little sad for 5 6 minutes. Then I'll be fine. I think my tolerance level has reached to up to that level. But if I lose a 5 million account or 10 million account, then I'll have issues right now because right now I have gone through so much 100Ks right now. I'm able to handle 100K loss right now. Like it feels normal to me, but similarly for you guys might feel like 10K because you are trading 10Ks. Okay, 10Ks feel end of that, but if you keep on doing that, like 10 accounts you burst in 10K, then you will start feeling like, okay, I can do it, I know the way. So you'll feel you have somehow will have a confidence, somehow you will have the risk tolerance or account tolerance level, you I would say. So that's my situation. Half a million if I lose a day, I think I lost 1 million total funding without a zero payout. Okay, that hit me hard because I was not ready to reach 1 million, first of all. Then I stopped trading for like good 3 4 months. Okay, that was one reason. Okay, but I'm okay with right now. I have lost like 1 2 million after that easily here and there. So that's completely okay. Seeker, that totally depends on you. I was trading 4 5 accounts last week, but it didn't work out well. Then I decided I'll go one account, one trade, because I'm doing other things in my life right now, like YouTube Live, mentorship, then some videos I'm making for you guys, like here and there. And I'm trading my live accounts. I started trading live account parallelly because I also felt I should start. So personally, I've traded XNS before, but right now I don't trade XNS anymore. I have made up to from $2,000 to $50,000 like in 4 5 months of time. We had I was testing different strategies. I didn't take a bigger payout, but I was risking a lot. I have lost also. I mean, I have lost what I have made, but not more than $2,000. It's from QT. It's after a split. Perfect, Abhishek. Congrats. Let me know if you take the payout. I'm very happy for you. First, like if it's a first payout, it's gonna hit you very good. Like you will feel very good. Explain about your trade setup model. I will explain backup. Like it's pretty like I've already explained multiple times. It's like and why I don't understand. Trade setup model is everywhere, guys. I'm telling you, and you just choose what is meant for you. Mine might be not working for you guys at all, and I would happily go through it again, but it's of no use. So, and one more minute, we can just look at charts. Do you guys have any other questions for me? I have moved the chat here, so I might look at the other side a couple of times. What's your average earning per month in total? See, right now I'm going at consistency. I'm targeting somewhere around 5,000 to $8,000 a month. My biggest earning on a monthly was around 26,000 dollars a month. It was like because I was restricting myself. I'm happy with where I am, but I can go for more. This is only on Propfirm challenges. Hello, Mr. Zubair Ali Khan. Should we wait for four more people, or can we just start looking at charts? What do you guys want to say? Like whatever you guys want, we can start doing it. Yeah, what I understand is I went 0 point, which means aggressive, which made me to pass 1K. Account account should I also do that thing for 5K? I didn't understand your question, Shaker. Oh, Abhishek, congrats. Funding sticks 50. Actually, futures are very good. You should like probably have a look at it. Okay, let me share my screen, guys. So my trading aim is nothing much like take consistent payouts. I really kind of enjoy teaching people right now. I'm very honest about it. So it gave me that not high, I would say, a good feeling when I did my first mentorship, and a person was able to pass an account in less than a week, and he was able to take. He took three consistent payouts back to back. So it made me confident that I can teach anyone. So that's how I started mentorship. I kind of like it, so that's why I'm putting more effort there, and also trading side by side. To be honest, my students are doing better than me because I'm doing so much, and I am sometimes not sticking to my rules when I'm trading. So that's the downfall for me. But eventually, I think I since I was trading like 4 5 accounts, multiple, and it was causing me issue. Right now, I move to one trade per day. So I think that will help me in the long run. I have no idea regarding news, Kaushik. As I told, I am not a trader who follows news. Okay, let's look at gold outcome for tomorrow, and let's mark few things before we get started. I don't know all this fancy stuff. It might be confusing for a lot of guys. Oh, I have already marked this levels. Okay, perfect. Let's mark this level. Okay, so I kind of like this level because this is the level where the previous resistance, and I think it should act as a support level. Where is my rectangle? So this level I mark and keep for now. So these are my POA like levels, interest point of interest. Okay, and another level should be here. So this is where why didn't okay. I think this was a fib level. Like, do you guys want me to draw the fib level also? I have no idea. I don't trade stocks, Ajit. I'm sorry. I'm not one who should recommend or comment about it because I have no like you. Oh, stocks USA like US 30, Nasdaq, like that. That's what you're asking about. I think that's the only level I can see. This we can have a small rejection level, so I just mark it in a smaller line. Okay, but I don't think this level will hold in any way. Okay, this level respected once, twice. This also respected once, twice. Have oh, I think I know. I have already this like analyzed this market. 1 second, guys. So there are two possible ways. Okay, so here there is nothing. I mean, there is like already wicked out. So this is all time high. Everyone knows. Okay, so right now, in order to go up, it needs to fuel few things. So how market works, right? So we are in a bullish market. Like there is no doubt, right? So everyone are sure we are in bullish market. Or do you, like can you just see it's just forming higher, higher, and it just keep on moving, correct? No one has a doubt on this bullish market, right? Okay, can you guys see? So whenever market tend to move fast, it has to go down. So it goes down to take the pending orders of previous like traders. Okay, so it has, so then it moves up. So even now it has gone up, it has rejected a bit. Now it's just consolidating to decide where to go. Okay, there are two possible ways things can go. So right now there are three possible ways. Market only can consolidate sideways, go up, go down. Okay, so now let's come to the like there are two. Monday we can expect this two possible moves. That's the only thing which will happen. But you gotta wait for it. Okay. So right now market is consolidating between this range and this range very clearly. Everyone is aware market is consolidating. What happens is people tend to take buy here, okay, and they'll get SL up. And I've seen people get because they think they are going up. Same goes for sell. I have seen a lot of people getting stopped out on Friday. Actually, Friday I took a sell trade here and I closed here because I was very sure that it will come here because of US open and I was hoping market will consolidate at that particular time. So I took a trade. Where is this path? So there is something called path. Let me just. Okay, so ideally we have to look for a break. Okay, break in the sense it has to break this level. It has to break all this level. It has to break not just liquidity gap. Okay, so there is money here. There is liquidity for sure here. So whenever market pushes here, there might be a wick. Okay, it might retrace back. Then it has to come out and okay. So it will be like something like this. This is where liquidity sweep, and if it comes, it respect this level. Okay, so this is where resistance turns support. If it respect this level, then so respects in the sense that you don't see any other candle down this area, so that means it has respected level. Okay, then you guys can look for long. Okay, and I will tell you another thing in gold which I personally learned from a different trader, from his videos. Okay, can you see? So this is what the expected level. I'm expecting what gold would do if it breaks above. Okay, same goes for gold. What it will do, same, it has to come down. Okay, it has to retest this. Okay, if it doesn't retest and it goes, it's just a liquidity grab and you have to look for buy. Okay, so it retests this, then ideally I will look for sell. This will be my first TP. Okay, this will be my first TP, this area. Second TP will be this area, and I would exit the market because market is super bullish, and I would only counter trend 100 or 150 pips. That's it. But if market opens in a gap and it was here, and if this level is supporting, you guys can look for a long from here. Like ideally, you can think about only because it's a bullish market, you can look at and SL probably below the structure, and I always place my SL below the structure. I don't place inside. So I plan my trades whenever there's a good structure. I have seen a lot of people waiting for structure shift and confirmation BOS and stuff, whereas I just take it when the liquidity sweep happens because I know the trend is bullish and I would personally try to keep my SLs as low as possible. So this is what my ideology is, and how now you guys will ask, how can I keep my TP levels on a all-time high? That's a very good question. Even I had. So this I got clarified from a couple of people on online. So every whole number is a TP level. Okay. So if you guys look at it, 80, okay, 90, okay, these are good levels for booking your profits. And the support resistance levels will be whole numbers like 700. Then next will be 750. So 750. These are the levels when buyers will book profit, and lot of sellers might be shorting. So it's just a probability that will happen. So okay. So there are traders who short the market on whole numbers and they are successful. They'll wait for months and months and they just short the market. So when 3600 came, they would have shorted the market. I think I already discussed this 3600. Let's see 3600. Okay. See 3600 exactly. Can you guys see this area? 3600 easy short market, easy at next previous support, sorry, previous resistance turned support. It just TP there, take it. I think this I also did. You'll get easy 100 and 150 pips. So there are traders who are happy with that. Sir, what's your approach while trading futures? See, trading futures, I suck at it actually. I've been successful only with Top Step because someone taught me how to trade Top Step. I'm very thankful for it. But other trading, I am not getting time to put myself and learning. And my strategy won't work in Top Step because whenever sorry, my strategy won't work in futures because whenever I enter a trade, a lot of my trades consolidate multiple times. Okay, and then it goes to TP. But in futures, you have to identify a trade where as soon as you take a trade, either it should hit a stop loss or it should go to a TP. So which my strategy will never do right now. My entry models will never do right now. I have to start building on it, working on it. So it will take some time. Bro, can you please how you draw support and resistance in 1 hour? Minimum, how many touch points you consider? Ideally, I just look for two touch points. Can you just see like two is good enough for me. Like I've already marked here. This was a very good resistance which changed support, and this I'm expecting this to hold more. If it breaks here and come, this level is not there. I just marked it. Very less possibility it can turn from there. Correct. So this is on 1 hour. See, can you see 1 hour also similar structure only? Here, this is nothing. It already like I feel to whatever FVG or whatever is there, it has already taken from there. Now it has to come. Ideally, I'm expecting to support this a lot. Mm, do you guys like? I mostly look at gold. I think it's very like good for me and it's pretty nice. Volatility is there. I'm good with the lot sizing. I have like good understanding of pip movements and stuff, but not fundamentally. Like I'm just saying in this way. And again, it's currently in bullish market. We don't see any change in structure. Probably bearish. It might change if it breaks here this year and come and retest. Then it retests, it supports. Then we can probably look at sells. But right now, market is super bullish, crazy bullish. And I was not expecting gold would go this crazy. And BTC, I do trade BTC. Oh, BTC, nice. Oh, look at this. This level I draw, like I think I put it on the long back. It's respecting like anything. Oh, see, BTC again. This would be another level. It has respected. Right. Let me just show you guys. So even if I put order blocks also, it will help for me. So the next level will be here. Then you can see some few rejection. This resistance will be turning support. Then after this, it has to hit here. BTC is also in a bullish trajectory only. Let me just check. Yeah, it's again in bullish trajectory only. Consolidate, push up, breakout, push up, consolidate, higher. Now I think little consolidate happened. Now if it breaks this again, we can look at BTC again all time high easily. Wow, what a beautiful chart. Is the chat frozen? Hello guys. So what pairs do you guys trade? Is there anyone who trades a very crazy pair, like an exotic pair we call it? Is my chat working, guys? Hello. Okay, I think it's working. I saw a heart fly. Okay, perfect. So Bitcoin, and also one more thing I'll tell you guys. So there is some secret thing I've been noticing about Bitcoin. Who trades Bitcoin here? So this is an easy hack where we can capture some uh, like like 50 pips average on. Okay, so whenever Sydney opens, there is a drop in BTC. This is probably, if you guys notice, can you just put, see, Sydney open, drop, Sydney open, drop, Sydney open, drop, Sydney open. I think here that didn't happen. I think it still dropped something, but it's fine. Like you guys can target 50 pips and this can devise a study. See, Sydney, 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 Sydney. We can go like anything, but the problem is I don't wake up that time, so I won't be able to trade. But this is something I have observed, very, very easy way to make some money. Like, see, even if it's 50, $100, still money, right? If you guys can like consider this every day, look, Sydney, Sydney. So this is okay. This is one day it didn't happen. That's fine. Sydney, Sydney, Sydney. Can you guys see? Like, can you guys see what I'm talking about? Like, I didn't make up this chart. The chart is printed. I'm just showing you backward data. Sydney. So this didn't happen. One failure. Sydney. Basically, out of 10 days, 8 days is working out. Am I correct? So that's an 80% win rate if you guys are trading properly. I mean, like this, you guys have, if you want to devise a strategy, I just told there is an opportunity. Okay. Even then, you guys have to look at the risk management entry model properly. I have not sat and looked at it. I saw there is an opportunity, but again, my trading time won't adapt to this. It's early morning around 4:30. I think our time 4:30, which Indian time, which I will be never awake. So it's not gonna be a feasible trading model for me. Oh, tell us about how you got into trading. Simple man, like I just exploring online, like some easy way to, not easy way to make money. Clicked on some weird website iforex.com and I got into trading from there. Propfirms, my friend actually mentioned about it. I started trading that. I didn't understand your question, Kaushik Raj. In gold, what? So if someone devises a strategy out of Bitcoin with this, like please do let me know how it works for you guys. I mean, you can ping me on Insta. I would happily reply. Like I usually check very often. I don't reply to people who ask like free money or accounts. It doesn't make sense. Like I don't really entertain that. But whenever you talk to me, like please introduce yourself. Like see, you are here from here. You are to trade this much. You're facing difficulties. You talk about it. I would definitely help you out. But randomly asking, hey, tell me your strategy. Hey, can you give me an account? Hey, bro, you're doing well in life. Can you please donate me an account? That and all is bullshit. Like I don't like such approaches. So except this, if you guys find something, you find an edge, your Q&A was good, I found something, I was able to take a trade, I'll be more than happy to see those messages. I think these two charts I look at it, GPP, JPY randomly I see, but oh, I have taken a trade, I guess. Oh yeah, I'm on a trade on which I don't know. Okay, I've shorted the market. I have no idea, guys, why I took that trade. Okay, I was teaching someone, so it's a possibility sell. I was saying. Let's see if this is playing out on Monday. Sir, how to level up from being a break-even trader? See, break-even is very good, Mister Adil. Like you are already doing very good. Break-even is not something simple. Break-even is still very good, and it just takes few more tries to be a profitable trader. Just give me a minute. I got a text. Okay. Is there any other chart you guys want me to look at it? These are the charts I personally look at it. I think I shorted the market. Why? Let me check why. Oh yeah. Okay, I consider this as a liquidity sweep. Okay, and there is a clear rejection. And let me check a lower time frame. Is there an order block entry? There is no order block. Why did it even take an entry? And there is one more website I want to show you guys. Market No, not this MARKET. This one. So this, um, I think I from influencer I for started using this. Pretty nice actually. You guys can check fundamentals here. It's asking me to log in. Like, you guys can check this. I can share it on the chat. You can just log in and check. It will let you know like any big newses or like events, like world events, like up to date. Instead of you guys like knowing before, it will update immediately. So this will guys will help you to design your trades better. Euro USD, what does it do? You are still ranging for the past. Still ranging. Euro USD is also on a bullish trajectory only. Look at this beautiful same patterns it's forming. Again, it should push up only. Oh wow, we have beautiful 1 minute OBs here. I think it should push up continuously. It already tapped this and it cleared the way. Next is this possibly. One, two. Oh wow, wow, look at how many pips you can capture. Oh wow. So like I'll probably consider taking a live account as a swing trade. Hmm. These are order blocks. Like see, whenever the market changes its structure. So right now market was like going down. Okay. Now it's trying to go up. So now it's trying to go up. Okay. So there is a condition. Okay. So right now it's a bearish market. It moved down. Okay. This is not considered an order block. Okay. But this is considered an order block because market is moving up one red candle and one green candle. So it's changing the direction. Okay. And it forms such pattern. It's called like it's just to identify key areas. And I have very less patience to sit and mark for order blocks. So I just use this MTF SND order block and it gives you perfectly not perfectly almost good enough for me, so I use this pretty almost all the time to for my trade entries. Okay, liquidity again an easy method. Let's look at gold. What is liquidity? Liquidity is nothing but pending orders of like traders who has left lot of money. Sir, can we use this OB indicator? Is it a good idea? For me, it's a good idea. I don't know about you. Like, for you can try it out. Like, it's been successful for me. You can figure out like whether it's working out for you. I usually rely on indicator. What I've drawn. Okay, this one I draw today. There is one more liquidity indicator I follow sometimes, like when I use randomly. So that also works. It will exactly tell where liquidation is. Not this. Sorry, guys. So this will clearly tell me where so much money is there. If like these 20 to 20K are small levels, I would look for somewhere around 100K levels for a better entry, like reversal models, like for liquidity sweeps. And also it differs chart to chart, by the way. Like I personally use Honda or Black Bull, and you guys can decide where. See, right now this had a more money here, so it respected this zone better. Say this also had more money here, 126. So I usually look at levels with more than 100K. Just my personal and like usage. You guys can analyze yours and like figure out what is your number and what, depending on what time frame you want to trade. So look, these both levels respected perfectly. See, here also it respected, here also it respected. And again, liquidity is like in charts, liquidity is there everywhere. Okay, let's put like this. Where is this diagram? Where is the diagram? Here it is. Okay. Okay, so liquidity is here, here, here. Okay, here also liquidity is there. So all the areas where it moves, left leaves and moves both on buy side and left side, liquidity will be there. All time frames. Okay. Now it's a your perspective needs to work. If you're trading in a lower time frame 5 minutes, then it will respect that liquidity levels. So basically it will sweep. It might give you a rejection or push up. You can plan your trade like that. I know a trader who only trades liquidity sweeps. As soon as the liquidity sweeps, he enters, he scalps, he takes 3 4 pips, he exits. But we on a, like my entry models on liquidity sweep, I look for some change on how the market is moving. For example, market is bullish, but the liquidity sweep happens on the sell side. Okay, then I will look for some reversal and I go buy. So I wait for it. So it depends on people again. And as I told you, like you can check those indicators to you see how big of a liquidity is available there. So right now, you know it's there, but you don't know how much it's there. So these charts or indicators will help you to identify what is bigger or what is like lesser liquidities, like exact number to be honest, exact values. I would probably look here. It was crazy liquidity here, almost 600K. There's also 100K order block liquidity. Yeah, my charts are very confusing. Sorry, like I'll probably have to clean up my charts. And price action also is very important in your trade. So like your candle has to move, otherwise there is no point of taking trades after liquidity. So you guys have to have a like can have one check telling that after liquidity I need this candle to move, like show some way, like basically if it's liquidity sweep and the candle doesn't move, then there's no point. That means it's just a fake out. I think Sunday is a very bad time to do live, right? Am I correct? Do you, what which day do you guys think it's best to do live? Monday. Monday, I have a lot of work, Abhishek, so I don't think I'll be able to do on Monday. That's something. Yeah, I would say that your risk management is very, very important. Psychology is also important. See, actually, psychology is very, very important. Like a lot of people think it's very fun, and they only look at chasing only entry. I get pissed off when people are like entry, entry, entry. Please tell me your entry model. Please tell me. No, my entry model is not gonna work for you. That's for sure. Every day is good. Just before, how many, like half a day before? Yeah, I will inform. Yesterday, I put actually a poll telling that do you guys want to have on a Saturday or Sunday? Then Sunday time. Yeah, I should be more specific about the time. I'm really sorry for that. See, this is a very good example. Like I'll tell you something, Ajit. So sideways you can't predict, right? Why market is moving sideways. Okay, you can actually predict. Sunday there was Friday there were no major news in US. Okay, so that means volume already is less. Okay, because of no major news. So ideally, and market is actually was moving up like between that range. So there is no volume to break up or down. So now on Monday, you guys see a volume will come and market opens and reopens. There is a big volume comes, right? That's called, sometimes it might leave a market gap also, right? So that's when you will get to know at least it's moving up or down. So you can stay away from market and when you feel that that day it's not gonna have big volume because of, there were no major newses for market to play out, and market was very slow on Friday. It was just moving 100 pips inside the same range. I think looks like we are almost done, guys. Like no big questions. I think everyone is having a busy Sunday, and I'll try to host on a different day. That's what I felt. Cool. Let's wrap up then in 3 4 minutes. If you guys don't have any questions, I'll probably step out to have some good dinner. Yeah. Suddenly, 4 people increased. We thought of wrapping up like do. Okay. My win rate on funding clips is like 48%, I guess, like overall. Bro, are you into investment as well? I just do SIPs on mutual funds and some stocks here and there. So Kaushik, yeah, after Xness, I did check out multiple brokers. I tried Alpari personally. I didn't feel them good actually. The deposits were laggy, the dashboard was irritating. Then I have taken XM. So far, I'm liking the experience. I'm actually considering trading in XM more. And I was thinking of having an internal tournament on XM. Like probably I'll probably give away there. What do you guys think? I'll have a $500 tournament happening and distribute that prize for all the people who have participated for our Telegram channel. How does that sound? Or else let's be live for another 10 minutes. Then we'll make it a complete 1 hour. Perfect. And also this thing. So I put a poll telling that do you guys want a separate group for Propfirm? Because see, don't confuse yourself live and Propfirm. They are completely different. How you have to approach is completely different. Some people think that okay, whatever live trade signals I get, I will use it for Propfirms. That's a very stupid thing to do. Anyone. I can explain if you guys want me to explain why is that so. Can you guys like put in some why? Yeah, Zed. Yeah, I think no. I don't think I need a haircut. I need to curl like so. I have a curly hair. Okay, so I need to use that. I use a maintain curly cream. It actually works well. Like if I apply that, my hair looks fabulous. But if I don't apply it, it looks shit. So I just have to get that done. I will join mentorship on Wednesday, hoping the best. This month mentorship was full, Mr. Abhishek. Like maybe next month we can see. And this month, and a lot of requests are there. I like one of my like. So I have a social media manager. So he suggested I should have a pre-booking kind of a thing where people can book, paying at least like some money. Please explain. Okay, so prop firms. See, assume our group we have 400 people right now. Okay, I put in a trade, like exact trades, like buy, sell, and not. Okay, you guys will keep the exact trades, correct? Okay, someone trading in the same firm, like prof, like let's take for example X prof firm. Okay, three or four people take the same trades. Okay, that means basically a rule violation. Okay, you can't copy trades on different accounts. This come under copy trading, right? When you place a same position trade, like same position, like 0 point like 600 means 600 you make a buy, and both will keep a buy at the same, and SL will be the same, right? When you do this, so you this account and all is fine. When you are like in challenge phases and whatever, they will just pass you and you go to the live account. Okay, now comes the live account. Live account, what happens? When you request a payout, before requesting giving you payout, they will check your all your trades. Okay, your profitable trades. If that trade has flagged by the internal system telling that this trade few other people have taken, this I'm talking about profirms. Okay, few x number of people have taken, the system will flag and they will tell you these guys have taken the same trades at same time. What is more explanation? No one can have, and like possibility is very very low having the same entry, same stop loss, same TP, correct? Okay, so that they will flag, they will call you for a risk assessment and they will talk to you. If they find out you are lying, or eventually we can't escape that. Okay, if you are lying, they will definitely ban you. Okay, there is no doubt about it. Ban your account and rest of the accounts along with it. So that's why I still tell, when I really am afraid to put something, so that this will affect you in the long run, or me also. If I'm taking the trade, if I'm putting you guys, my account also will go off. Okay, so that's something which I don't want to do, and that's something I will never practice. But live on a different case, you can take same trades how much ever they want, like same people's. Hundred thousands of people look at the same chart and same level, but they, yeah, the possibilities are very very low. But I have personally seen a lot of people getting banned for it, and this is not joke. And they have AI systems to track it. I have personally like seen couple of my people I know, like influencers as well, like getting these warnings. Why to see, we profums are a really a big gift to us. Why do you have to fuck up doing wrong things and getting banned from it? There are very less profums who are trustable and pays you good, correct? So why to have a wrong approach there and probably screw yourself up? So far they are good, Kaushik. Like I would personally, and so see, I would recommend Exness all the time, but since they are not there, I wanted a good broker. So currently I have partnered with XM. So far the experience is good. The withdrawals and deposits are instant, fast. And I was thinking a plan of, for example, so if someone wants to come to XM, I will like deposit bonus first thing, and second thing I would possibly thinking of conducting a tournament like $500 prize pool tournament. I will be putting the $500 if there is more than 200 entries or 300 entries. I have multiple accounts. Sir, please explain Profum's minimum leverage. So Profums usually give 1 is to 100 for Forex, 1 is to 30 for metals, and 1 is to 10 for indices. This is what Profums gives. Bro, explain to Hindi. Many community in India, so I kindly request. Bro, you explain to Hindi. Oh, you want me to explain in Hindi? See, Angad, my Hindi is very bad actually. Like I can speak, but I am very doubtful that you will understand. I can speak Malayalam, Tamil, English more fluently. Hindi I can read and write, but I'm not very fluent. if बात करें तो बहुत ज़्यादा मिस्टेक करेगा, इसलिए मैं नहीं speaking is बात, right? No, I'm really sorry, man. I get stuck. Bro, do you journal? No, currently I don't journal. Why no platform for option trading? I have no idea, Ajit. maybe you can start one. Like also, I don't know what is options trading. Like, but I have not explored options or binary trading. I think this is more than enough to keep me occupied. Why to explore something new and like not waste time, lose more money there. Please continue in English. Yeah, that's why speak in English. Like नो ब्रो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं जैसे भी चलेगा आई अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ ठीक है बट अभी तो बहुत लोग हैं सभी पूरा इंडिया पे सो सबको कॉमन आई हैव टू स्पीक so I don't know that's and I don't speak Hindi well man I'm sorry. uh no I don't think I know any platform it gives high leverage in crypto. I think crypto is 1:5 or 1:1, right? Say if I'm not wrong. So I've seen people connect different accounts together, so that does not happen with Propfirm. So I've seen people connect different accounts together, so that is. I didn't understand your question, Adil. If they need Hindi, they can go to other traders who speak Hindi. English is so rare. English is not very rare, and see, he placed a request, Shaker. Like that's fine. If I'm able to help him, well and good. See, if he really wants to learn, so he's not able to understand English. He asks. So if we are not able to speak, well and good. If he wants, he can just ping me. If I am able to speak Hindi and make him understand, I'm more than happy. Uh, I would really like to help whoever is having some issues. Your crypto is vanished. That's very bad. So I don't recommend you to trade crypto on Profirms. On personal accounts, yes. Cool. Last 3 minutes, guys. Let's wrap up and let's enjoy our Sundays. I mean, Sunday is almost done. Randomly, I take trades on BTC sometimes. Whenever I feel the market structure is good or market will push me and give me that much reward, yes, I take on live accounts. And do you guys think I should conduct like the internal tournament? Will it be you guys will be anticipate like will you guys be interested to participate? The first thing I'll split between Profirms and live accounts. We will have a common group for whatever share info and different groups to share live trades and Profirm ideas. I'll be sharing only Profirm ideas and I'll be sharing some trades on live, which again I'm not responsible. If you guys take and get banned on Profirm, I am not responsible. I'm telling you upfront. Cool. Last 1 more minute, guys. Last question. Any valuable questions you have pending? I think one group is fine. You work to SMC. Maybe a little bit of SMC. Hello, guys. Let's call today and enjoy our weekend. And let's stay active on Telegram. And like there are plans to open Discord, but I really think Discord is going to be more complicated. Uh, let's see. Let's see how like if we are growing more, like then we'll probably take a decision based on that. Okay, guys, have a nice evening and nice Sunday evening. Enjoy your dinner. Good night, and have a very good trading week, please. And do your risk management pretty nicely. Thank you.